Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this 2017 Crossroads fifth wheel. Really nice coach here. Big awning right here, as we see. Two outside speakers. Those are waterproof, ready to go. Really nice basement with some magnets right here, so no latches. There's some stuff in here already. But as we go in, let's go inside. We're going to show you more stuff. Welcome guys, there we go. Nice fridge. I like this a lot. This is beautiful. Look at that. Lots of shelves, freezer, you see everything in there. It's pretty cool. Really nice touch here with a pantry, and just in case if you'd like your washer and dryer, there's the hookups in there, so there's enough room for all that good stuff. As we go through the coach, microwave, a smaller one for now, but you do have oven and stove right there. Pretty nice. Lots of storage room. Talk about pantry. There we go. One more time here. Really nice. This island is like traffic flow control in a way, so if you're cooking, doing your thing, nobody's in your way. Nice TV with a fireplace. This is an electric fireplace. Absolutely. Really nice view here with a couch. I like the color of this couch. This leather is pretty nice, not your average, color. Lots of storage on top also. Again, those are all LED lights with a nice fan up there. People like that touch. I love seat here that reclines. Pretty cool. You can see the TV this way, you don't have to twist your neck anyways. Nice table. This extends. Pretty cool. Nice chairs. I like that touch of that. Look at that. Nice. More storage underneath here also. Let's go up there and show you the bathroom. Really nice one again. Enclosed shower. It does have a seat in there. That's pretty important to some people, so pretty cool. As we go in here into the bedroom, you can see everybody wants this, the shelves. You can, both sides. Pretty cool, nice stuff. Really, look at this, folks. Nice, a walk-in closet. I'm not kidding. I'm not that tall, but I'm not short either. So, yeah, let's go outside and show you more stuff about this coach. Really nice, big, nice awning. I mean, the slide out right here as we go through. This coach got lots of features to it. I like the spare tire to be out here instead of me crawling underneath to get it out. So this right here, God forbid you have a flat tire. Ladder, that means you can go up there, check out the roof, see what's going on. It is camera ready, as you see on top there, so you can get it on an iPad or so. Come this way, please. And there is that nice kitchen slide out. That's where the kitchen was with that nice fridge. Remember that one? As we go, that's a big slide. That's where the bed is on top. Big slide right there. They do have big bottles in here. Look at that. You can even upgrade to bigger ones. So there is a lot to talk about this coach. Please give me a call at 541-515-1237. Thank you.